Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do pattern tutorials, pattern reviews, and anything sewing related, and once in a while a crafty thing or two. Alright, stick around because I'm going to give you a pattern review today of a brand new pattern from Love Notions. And it is a goodie, let me tell you. So hang around. I will tell you that when I do pattern reviews, I like to do them in an objective way. So I have certain categories I cover. I do the same thing with every single pattern that I review so that it's consistent and you can compare one to the other. I do also need to disclose that I am an affiliate for Love Notions, so I do get a little bit of income if you use my affiliate link in the description, or if you happen to be using my coupon code that I will give you in a little bit. All right, so as I said, there is an affiliate link in the description for the shorts. There'll also be one for this top that I'm wearing. This is the little Bella Donna top from Love Notions, and I made this to create a set. So these are my two pairs of Tinley shorts that I made. I made the straight version and I made the full version. I'm going to go over all the options that they have because there are many with this pattern. But just to show you right off the bat, the two pair that I made. All right, let's get right to the details. So the Tinley skirt and skirt comes in extra small to 5X. And I'll get to more on the sizing in a little bit. I'll say a little more about that. It's suitable for both knit and woven fabrics, and the two versions I showed you, I did make a knit version, which would be this. It's a ITY. So that full version that I made was a knit, and the straight shorts that I made were a woven. It was a denim. It was a white denim. It came in a mystery box, so I don't know the weight of it, but I will say it was about an 8-ounce denim. That's my guess. A nice weight for those shorts. Not too heavy where it'd be real hot, but it still had a good hand, and it was really nice to sew with actually. All right, so there are many views of this pattern, so let me go over them. The straight skirt, and under the straight skirt you can put some biker shorts, which the pattern is included for that as well. There's the straight shorts, which the white ones that I made, that's what I made. There is the full shorts, which is the other that I made, and the full skirt, which you can also put biker shorts under that. So it's got all the possible combinations covered for what you need in a good summer bottom. So I think it's a win-win. Lots of options. All right, so the back is elasticized with a flat front, and it has slash pockets in the front. So those are the basic details. All right, here is the coupon code for you if you end up wanting to get this pattern or any other pattern from Love Notions. If you use my coupon code DDTuber, that is this current quarter. It changes quarterly, so if you're watching this later, this is July of 2023. If you happen to be watching later than this quarter, you can check my Facebook group, and that's Dorothy's Daughter Community on Facebook, and I will always have the updated coupon code for as long as they keep giving them to us, and you can always get 10% off when you use my code. All right. Let's talk about wearability. So these shorts, I made the full ones first, and I wore them to a family reunion, and it was really looked like I had a summer dress on pretty much, but in reality I was wearing shorts, and it felt like secret pajamas. It was very comfortable, very airy, very cool. It was really hot that day, and then I turned around and put them on Sunday morning and wore them to church with a little bit more jewelry. So could go either way. You can wear them casual or you can dress them up. So it's a really, really nice pattern for summer, great for travel, especially if you use a fabric like I used. This is an ITY, which doesn't wrinkle. So you could basically roll that up in your suitcase and it'd be fine when you get there. So it'd be a great travel option as well. All right, ease of construction. All right, I have a little bit to share about the fit of these when it comes to ease of construction. If you have seen my pants fitting videos, then you know that I have to jump through a lot of hoops to get pants to fit. Not with this pattern. Surprisingly, I didn't have to do one single adjustment to these. So I looked at the crotch curve and thought, that looks a lot like my normal crotch curve. So I went ahead and said, okay, I'm just going to make them and see what happens. This was intended to be a muslin pair because, like I said, I got this fabric in a mystery box, which is what I normally use those fabrics for. And so I went ahead and I made them up. And I was shocked to figure out that I did not need to make one single adjustment on either pair of these shorts. So that's a miracle, to be honest. It's beyond good. So that is amazing. The elasticized back really makes a big difference with anybody who has a little bit of a sway back, which I do. I made an extra large. My waist is 39 and my hips are 46. So what you need to do is check the measurements. I would say true to size, and I would say look at the ease because you may be comfortable with less or more ease. So that's another thing I would say to do. All right, I'm going to go through how I determined that I didn't need any adjustments once I constructed them. There's a really nice quality about these shorts in that you can construct the bottom and then the top, and then you can see where the top needs to fall, where the waistband needs to hit you. As far as actually constructing them, it's very easy. The slash pockets are very straightforward. This is a beginner friendly shorts, y'all. That's really something. So I'm kind of in awe. Let me show you how I determined that I didn't need any further adjustments. The waistband is made, the shorts are made, and one thing you can do is put the waistband on while you have the shorts on, and you can kind of place it where the seam is going to be and see how the fit is going to be and adjust the waistband either up or down as needed. And you can see that I really don't need any adjustments to this, which is very surprising and very, very nice because normally I do a lot of adjustments, especially in the rise, but these seem to fit me. These seem to fit me really well. So score and thank you, Love Notions, because these are amazing, and I think I'm going to be making lots of these because I'm not a big one for shorts, but I just really like the way these fit. And I mean, once I take an inch hem, it's going to be, I don't like that. It's going to be a really, really nice pair of shorts. Nice and long, the way I like them. At first, I added 3 inches because it said they were 4-inch shorts. However, once I put them on the first time to check, they were very long. So I guess 4 inches is deceiving. And they're, I mean, all the way up in my rise like they need to be. Just perfect. I'm completely thrilled. Very great fit. And I did look in the mirror to see wrinkles. They might be showing a little bit now because it's not sewn down the way it needs to be, but I'm pretty happy with these. All right, let me also show you here that I went ahead and went back to the mirror after I sewed them together, and you can see I got a great fit. completely no adjustments whatsoever. And I love these shorts very much. All right, let's talk about sizing. I said I'm an extra large. That worked out really well for me. It's extra small to 5X, and basically anybody can wear these shorts. Especially love the length of them because they're, as an older woman, I appreciate the length because things aren't as toned as they used to be, and it's nice to have the length to kind of cover your legs a little bit more. Of course, if you're younger and you want to shorten them, you're more free to do that as much as you want. So I really appreciated that about them. The sizing's very true to size, and since it goes all the way up to 5X and all the way down to extra small, there probably isn't anyone or very few people that these shorts would not work for. So great on the sizing. As far as materials needed, other than fabric, of course, you just need thread, and calls for 3/8 inch elastic. And since these started off being a muslin, I used some 1/4 inch elastic that I had because I didn't have any 3/8 elastic at the time. It worked fine. I think it don't feel like it's going to twist in there, but 3/8 is what it actually calls for. Other than that, and it even tells you how long to cut the elastic for your size, so it's really a no-brainer. That's it as far as extra materials other than fabric. When it comes to fabric choices, like I said, you can use a woven or a knit. The knit version that I made, which I paired with the Bella Donna top, which I'll have the link for in the description as well. And you can also use the coupon code on that as well. The knit version, this is an ITY. It was in a mystery box again. It's polyester, I'm sure. It's very stretchy and just lays really nice, very cool. But any knit you could use as far as the knit versions. You can use a cotton lycra, you could use a rayon spandex, although if you've ever sewn with that, you know that you have to be careful that it doesn't kind of grow on you when you launder it. So be careful how you launder, especially the full skirt. Any knit really works really great with these. And you can also use the knits for the straight shorts as well. I think though the little bit of more stable or thicker knits would be better for the straight shorts, just from a standpoint of how they'll look, on your body. The straight shorts, with either or, you can use wovens or knits. As far as wovens with the full shorts, I would suggest like a rayon Charlee. Linen would be really nice. Even a cotton poplin, cotton lawn would be really nice and cool, comfortable. This is denim on the white version, and denim worked great. This is a lighter weight denim. It's not 10 ounces or anything. It's about, like I said, about an 8-ounce denim, and was the perfect weight for these, really. 10 ounces would be way too much. It would just cause this to be really bulky with the gathering and stuff. You could use cotton lawn, poplin, you could use any kind of a twill, sateen would be really nice. Any kind of any nice cool fabric for summer, I would say, would work with these. And wonderful fabric choices. I think that sateen would be beautiful with those full shorts, straight shorts, I mean. So definitely check those out. With the full shorts, you want to choose something a little bit drapier, like the rayon Charlee, the cotton lawn, the ITY, like I said, anything that would drape a little bit more, because you want the sort of flowiness of the full shorts to show. All right. All right, if you're new here and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It does help me out a lot if you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We are growing. We have almost 22,000 subscribers, and I'm very excited about that. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. And it's funny, the stats on how many people watch and how many people are subscribed, and not that many people really subscribe as much as who watches. So go ahead and click that button for me. I'd really appreciate it. All right, next, I will give you that coupon code again. It is DDTuber for 10% off of anything Love Notions. And what that does is it activates a little bit of income for me as well as an ambassador. And as I said, I am an ambassador for Love Notions, but I will tell you that my opinions are completely my own. If there was anything negative to share about these, I would definitely give you the heads up about it. I've done it before. If you've watched my reviews before, you know that I will speak up if I need to. So definitely go ahead and use that coupon if you like. All right. Here are my two versions. Again, the full shorts I made into kind of a set. I love that. Although I could wear this with a white t-shirt, would be really cute, or a navy t-shirt. The white shorts will be cute with so many things. I have a patriotic shirt that I'm kind of thinking I might wear with those this weekend coming up. I think it would look really cute. Just a really patriotic little t-shirt that I bought. I actually think this could be my favorite pattern from Love Notions ever. And there's a lot of them I love, you know that. But it's really a great pattern. So definitely check it out and let me know your experiences with it. Is it as good as I say? I think it is, but let me know your experiences. If you're on the Facebook group, definitely share your makes on there. We love to see them. So I love to help anyone that needs help with fitting. So if you need help with pants fitting, I do have a pants fitting course, which I will also link in the description that you can check out. You can post on the Facebook group, tag me in it if you need some help, and I will help you personally get that pant fit right. And you know, once you get one pair of pants fitting, it's pretty easy to get the next pair fit. It kind of, once you know your body, it's not that hard. So that's it for the pattern review today. I hope you check it out. I hope you stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. On Thursday, I have a chat at 4 p.m. Eastern, and we are going to go through a recent fabric haul. And in that fabric haul is the white denim that I use for these pants. I have a lot left, actually. It was a big mystery box I got from Nick of Time Fabrics. So we're going to go ahead and go through that mystery box together on Thursday at for Thursday chat. Thursday chats are back, so join me. All right, you guys have a great day and happy sewing adventures. Bye-bye.